Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Dear children and their parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is fighting. The final Prophet of Allah, Sayyid Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Inna abghadar rijali ilallahi al-aladul khasim, means the most disliked person to Allah Almighty is the one who argues excessively. Dear children, arguing is harmful. It can make you lose friends, cause problems, and get you into a lot of trouble. People usually avoid kids who argue all the time. After all, nobody wants to be in an upsetting environment. Plus, Allah Almighty loves those children who avoid arguing even when they are in the right. And do you know what is the worse than fighting over big issues? Fighting over small issues, like fighting with your brother or sister over food. If you feel upset, tell a grown up instead of fighting. Rather, good kids should reconcile and forgive others. If another child has done anything to hurt you, even then instead of fighting or arguing, overlook it and tell your parents about it in a nice way without complaining about it. May Allah Almighty make us forgiving people and save us from fighting. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.